Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to add a subdomain in Godaddy. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Godaddy account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the All Products and Services section and select the domain you want to add a subdomain to. Next, click on the DNS button next to your domain. In the DNS management page, go to the Forwarding tab. Here, click on the Add Forwarding button next to the subdomain option. Now, enter your subdomain and protocol in the related fields. Here, you can also select the forward type, permanent, temporary, and forward with masking, according to your needs. Finally, click on the Save button to create your subdomain. Now, verify your identity with the verification code sent to your email address. Once the verification is complete, your subdomain will be added successfully. Now, you can easily remove or edit it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.